Very good afternoon, children. LK Tripathi is your SST teacher from LPM Public School. Dear students, as we have been studying chapter 4 of geography, that is climate. In this chapter, in last explanation, we have seen about the factors affecting India's climate. What are the factors that affect the India's climate? So main factors are there: the latitude, altitude, pressure and wind. These are the major factors which affect the India's climate. In the next video, means in the running video, we would have to discuss about the different types of wind condition, winter season, high pressure of Himalaya. So many things are there in this video. You will come to know about all the facts of the climatic condition of the country. So let's begin. The pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of Himalayas. In winter season, the North Himalaya has the high pressure. Cold dry winds blow from this region to the low pressure areas over the oceans to the south. From the south to the ocean, the cold dry wind blow from the Himalayan region. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia as well as over northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. रिवर्सल मीन्स इसकी जो है वापसी, जो ये जो समर की जो विंड होती है, कंप्लीट रिवर्सल डायरेक्शन ऑफ द विंड समर में होती है. एयर मूव्स फ्रॉम द हाई प्रेशर एरिया ओवर द सदर्न इंडियन ओशन इन साउथ ईस्टर्ली डायरेक्शन, क्रॉसेस द इक्वेटर एंड टर्न्स right towards the low pressure areas over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as the southwest monsoon wind. This is the southwest monsoon wind. Means you can imagine or you can realize this is the monsoonic wind from the Arabian Sea, the part of Kerala. Why does it happen? Just now through this explanation you have seen. एरिया ओवर द सादर्न इंडियन ओशन, जो सदर्न इंडियन ओशन का, जो हमारा इंडियन ओशन का सदर्न पार्ट है, यहाँ पर साउथ ईस्टर्ली डायरेक्शन जो यहाँ पर एग्जिस्ट करता है, इक्वेटर को क्रॉस करता है और राइट साइड में जो है मूव करता है, जो लो प्रेशर बनाता है और पूरे इंडियन सब कॉन्टिनेंट के ऊपर इसका असर होता है. ये रिजल्ट इसका होता है, इसको साउथ वेस्ट मानसून विंड कहते हैं. और ये वार मोशन विंड्स ब्लो करता है, मॉइस्चर गैदर करता है और ये रेनफॉल मेन लैंड ऑफ इंडिया में लाता है. मेन लैंड कहाँ पर है? अरेबियन सी के किनारे. अरेबियन सी में वो एग्जिस्ट करता है, वहाँ पर रेनफॉल शुरू हो जाती है. ये साउथ वेस्ट मानसून है. द अपर एयर सर्कुलेशन इन दिस रीजन इज डोमिनेटेड बाय ए वेस्टर्ली फ्लो. एन इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट ऑफ दिस फ्लो इज द जेट स्ट्रीम. इसे हम जेट स्ट्रीम कहते हैं. जेट स्ट्रीम होता क्या है? ये जेट स्ट्रीम को हम नैरो बेल्ट ऑफ हाई एल्टीट्यूड कहते हैं. एक नैरो बेल्ट होता है किसी भी एरिया का जो लगभग 12,000 मीटर ऊपर होता है, जिसको हम नैरो बेल्ट कहते हैं। और वेस्टर्ली विंड्स यहाँ पर ट्रोपोस्फियर में बहती है, जो एटमॉस्फेयर का लेयर है, और इसकी स्पीड लगभग 110 किलोमीटर होती है। इन समर अबाउट 184 किलोमीटर इन विंटर। ए नंबर ऑफ separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are the mid-latitude and the subtropical jet stream. Himalayas all through the years except in summer, the western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the north and northwestern part of country are brought in by this westerly Himalaya all through the year except in summer, the western cyclonic disturbances experienced in the north and northwestern parts of the country are brought in by this westerly flow. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet stream moves north of the Himalayas with the apparent movement of the sun. An easterly jet stream called the subtropical easterly jet stream blows over peninsular India approximately over 14 degrees north during the summer months. Now let us see the box. Western cyclonic disturbances. Western cyclonic disturbances क्या हैं? The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the winter months brought in by the westerly flow from the Mediterranean region. They usually influence the weather of the north and northwestern regions of India. Tropical cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in October, November, and are part of the easterly flow. These disturbances affect the coastal regions of the country. Have you read or heard about the disasters caused by them on Odisha and Andhra Pradesh coast? The Indian monsoon. The climate of India is strongly influenced by monsoon winds. The sailors who came to India in historic times were one of the first to have noticed the phenomena of the monsoons. They benefited from the reversal of the wind system, as they came by sailing ships at the mercy of winds. The Arabs, who had also come to India as traders, named this seasonal reversal of the wind system monsoon. The monsoons are experienced in the tropical area roughly about 20 degree north and 20 degree south. To understand the mechanism of the monsoons, The following facts are important. What are the facts? The differential heating and cooling of land and water. Number first, creates low pressure on the land mass of India, while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure. The shift of the position of intertropical convergence zone, that is ITCZ, in summer over the Ganga plain, that is the equatorial through normally positioned about 5 degree north of the equator. It is also known as the monsoon trough during the monsoon season. The presence of the high pressure area east of Madagascar, approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and position of this high pressure area affect the Indian monsoon. The Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during summer, which results in strong vertical air currents and the formation of low pressure over the plateau at about 9 km above sea level. The movement of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsula during summer. In this way, we have come to know about the Indian monsoon and some more facts about the changing of climate in this region. Next, we shall discuss in the next video. Till then, you will be doing your task in PC as well as in fair copy as prescribed by your teacher. So go to find more and more questions from the chapter by your own and solve them in your both the copies, that is PC and fair. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Thank you.